So today is my first video shoot in New Zealand. This is actually pretty cool. I'm doing an interview with my friend Tom, and you guys might enjoy this setup here. We got it a little bit rigged up. Check this out. So here's our camera with the script he's going to be reading from on a tripod. Next to our full-on light support here, we have a speaker, a box, a broom. I mean, that's standard, of course. Our diffuser, wax paper is a pro tip here. You want to use the wax paper so it doesn't burn, and that usually just hangs from a hanger, of course, as you guys can see here. It's pretty standard nowadays. Also connected to the wheelie chair, and then you're going to have your backlight, of course. That's then want to light up the wall a little bit, and obviously light your character here from the back. As you can see, it'd be wonderful. Anyway, and then you have your reflector here. So you have the light coming from here. Shoots over here, bounces off, hits the side of the face. It's perfect. It's how we do this. And usually, of course, what's standard for this actually is just a yoga mat with the Reflectix on the back side, supported by the pillows, the tripod, you know, the random stick you want to get from your garage or a stick from the yard, whatever you can find. Oh, and then of course we're diffusing with more wax paper here. Just set up with another tripod light, you know, whatever you got. You just want to kind of make that work. Of course, but yeah, so this is how it works in New Zealand, and you really can't ask for more than this. I mean, I'm shooting in an amazing location. I actually do paragliding back here as well. Get my training right over on the other side of that hill.
Tom O'Neill, international author and contributor to the world's best-selling career guide, What Colour is Your Parachute, for the last 12 years.